everyone, today we're going to be making chai flavored oatmeal. To start, you're going to want to grab any kind of oatmeal and your chai spices, milk, vanilla, and a pot. So you're going to want to dump in a cup of your oatmeal of choice. I used steel cut oats because that's what I had, but you can also use rolled oats or the quick 1 minute oats as well. So I just prepared the steel cut oats with the directions on the package, just 1 cup of the oats with 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of water. Spice-wise, you're going to want to grab your chai spices, which are going to be ground ginger, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, cardamom, and coriander. Once your oatmeal is done, compile all of the spices into a bowl along with your oatmeal and mix it up. Enjoy!